Hello, kids! Let's practice reading syllables. Are you ready? Let's start. Ha, he, ho, hu. Again. Ha, he, ho, hu. Good job! Now, listen carefully and read with me. Ha, he, ho, hu. Great job so far, kids! Please like and subscribe for more Filipino reading practice. Let's keep going. Let's do a different rotation. He, ha, hu, he, ho. He, hu, ha, ho, he. Mahusay! Very good! Ho, hu, he, ha, he. Hu, ho, he, ha. Awesome! Let's read again. Fast. Ha, he, ho, hu. He, ha, hu, he, ho. He, hu, ha, ho, he. Ho, hu, he, ha, he. Hu, ho, he, ha. Very good! Now, let's go back to the start. Ha, he, ho, hu. One more time together. Ha, he, ho, hu. Amazing work, kids! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reading practice. See you in the next episode!